Hello, guys. How are you today? This is Stephen John Smith. We'll discuss about how to make money online. Guys, there is 25 ways you can earn money online. In the last video, we will discuss about the major topic is drop shipping. In drop shipping, you can earn money excellent, and the high demanded you can return. And the second option is the print on demand. It's a product based efforts medium, leverage medium earn money from this scenario. You can high earn money. Print on demand allows sellers to customize with white label products with their own design and sell them only after customer buys. Eliminate the need to hold inventory, which is what makes it's a subset of the dropshipping. When a customer place an orders or print on demand complete, while add your product design, fulfill the order and ship it to the customer. The most significant advantage print on demand offers over dropshipping is that you have control over the ethnic of your products. A key differentiate for products categories where the design is differentiate like the t-shirt or fan merchant. When it's come to make money online, you can also use print on demand services, test online business idea or new products lines without making risk and services. Monetize an audience you have already built, whether it's on YouTube, social media, or personal blogs. After diverse products by selling t-shirts, books, shoes, bags and mugs, phone case, laptop skills, wallet, and more. Sell photos online by placing your image on the physical products to sell to your fans. Overall, print on demand lets you create customized products quickly. You don't have to worry about the shipping or fulfillment. It's take care by the suppliers, and since you have no inventory to worry about, it's a low risk, low investment to make money online. The second idea is the passion fruit sells inclusive cloth and accessory for the community. The brand is built around the power togetherness and built and bright future for cure youth, creating products that allow them to show their pride all years around rather than only a specific events. Passion fruits products are carefully designed with pencil and papers. They digitalize place all products through a print on demand company and sold it on the store. You can design and circulate the passionate audience with the mission to make positive impact on the world. This is the great idea, guys. Free webinar: How to quickly start portfolio print on demand on store. In our free 40 minutes video workshop, you will able to from products idea to getting up to online store on the first print on demand. So, do you want to create your own online store? Yes, definitely. Guys, this is the great idea. You can earn money from this medium. Test online business idea. We discuss about monetize and audience. Offer diverse products by selling t-shirts, books, वगैरह, selling photos online. Thank you very much, guys.